Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the adapter and controller so pairing works reliably. First, plug the compatible wireless USB adapter into the switch dock's USB-A port or a USB-C adapter for handheld. Make sure the adapter firmware is updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Then charge the Xbox controller and turn it off. Once done, put the adapter into pairing mode by pressing its pairing button until the LED flashes. Now get ready to activate the Xbox controller's sync button next. Now initiate the actual link. Press and hold the Xbox controller's small sync button until the top LEDs flash rapidly. This puts it in Bluetooth pairing mode. Immediately press the adapter's pairing button again if its LED isn't blinking. Both devices must be discoverable. The adapter's light will change pattern once it locks on. When you see a steady or matched blinking pattern, check the switch controller's menu to confirm the controller appears and responds. Make sure to test sticks and triggers. Sensitivity checks avoid surprises later. Finish by confirming the controller maps correctly in the switch settings and by saving any profile in the adapter's app if available. Once paired, open a menu or game to verify button mapping and trigger responsiveness. Make any small remaps as needed. If the controller drops or won't pair, power cycle the adapter and controller, ensure firmware is current, and try again. A reliable troubleshooting step is to plug the controller in via USB to force an initial handshake, then unplug to test the wireless link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.